Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the Pinterest Inspiration Collaboration hosted by Kimber Creations here on YouTube. I hope y'all are doing great. I am doing okay. As you know, for Pinterest, we post every month, the last Saturday of every month. And so I hope that you like what I created. I'm going to share with you what I use first, and then we'll get into the project. I use these two inks. I needed a green, so I used this limeade, which I think is really pretty. It's a light green. And I use this Post Box Red from Dilutions. All of them are Ranger brand, so I like Ranger. And I use my normal go-to black, jet black ink for the sentiment. I have been dying to get my hands on this Daisy Lane stamp set. And I finally got a chance to do that. And I got it from Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage. She is in a collaboration, so you'll be able to find her. And she's an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so you can go over and check all the things out. I want to tell you one thing about reading. It is fundamental. I have a few of the newer model stamps of Stampin' Up. You know, they send it to you and you put your own thing on. Well, apparently I cannot read, or I don't understand it, because this one and this one, I put the thing on wrong, and it clearly gives you step-by-step instructions on what you should be doing and how to get it properly done. I do want to say that these, when it says clean, they mean clean. So besides me making a boo-boo on these two, everything else is pretty good, but they stick really well for that cling. So you shouldn't have to worry about stickiness for a while. Also, it have lots of foam. Look at that foam, good foam. So if I really was concerned, I could just peel the foam off and make it a flat stamp, but I'm not too concerned about that. So the pen I followed, you'll be able to see it. I changed up a few things on it. She has Smile right here, but I put It's Your Time to Shine. And I layered 3 flowers on here. And this green came out great. I have red on my fingers, and you can see it's right there. And it's blank on the inside, of course. I was thinking about putting another flower in there, but I was like, nah, we won't worry about it. So this is how it looks. I just used some sequins that I have. I've seen people buying new sequins, and I'm like, oh, I have plenty of sequins to use. Too many, actually. I need to get rid of a few of them because I probably never get around to doing, because I suck at shaker cards. So I loved this project. You'll see lots and lots more flowers. Now, I know I said I was going to do a lot of embossing, but once I sat down, it was no turning back. I'm having bad mobility issues right now, so I didn't want to keep getting up and down. But this is my creation. I like them. Tell me what you think in the comment section below if you like, and go over and check out all the other creators in this collaboration and show them some crafty love. So thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.